Yes, class 10th students, come on about some of the method of asexual reproduction, inside which the first is regeneration. The Latin word re means again and generate means to beget or to produce. This regeneration is the ability to repair injured parts and replace the ones lost through an accident. At first, it was observed by Tremblay in 1740 in case of Hydra. In Hydra, it is helpful in multiplication of their same type. Hydra and Planaria both belong to same phylum. Here is a figure of the growth of same type of Planaria by their broken body piece. In this figure, at first the body of parent is cut into 3 pieces. These 3 pieces further developed into whole body. This regeneration is also seen in some of the higher animals, but in higher animals it is in limited power of it is not the power of production of the new individuals. Regeneration is seen in only the development of the cut body parts. In lower form of life, the particular cells, these cells are called the stem cells, which can proliferate and differentiate and finally give rise the whole body. Such a differentiation power is not seen in higher animals. Higher animals have some other strategies for the production of new individual. In their body there are particular tissue for the reproduction. Now come on about the other method, that is spore formation. Spore formation takes place in some of the lower form of life, which are the algae, fungi, and some of the protists. The spores are the microscopic asexual reproductive units. The spores are of two types, zoospores and endospores. The spores which are movable or motile are the zoospores, and which cannot move, they are endospores. Here is a figure of complete explanation of the production of new individual or new hyphae of bread mold or the rhizopus. The body of this fungi is plant-like. The root-like structure is its rhizoidal hyphae. The stick-like or the stem-like part is the sporangiophore, upon which a ball-shaped structure develops, which is called the blob or the sporangium. In this sporangium, there are the production of spores. When the sporangium bursts, the spores fall out on ground, and after reaching on substratum on ground, that develops into new hyphae of this bread mold. This way, from parent body, there is the production of same type of individual or the same bread mold. The process is spore formation. Thanks.